Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. Woo, what's up, family members? What's up? What's poppin'? I missed y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie, I missed y'all for sure, man. I'm always thinking about y'all, man. But sometimes you gotta get your life together. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that personal stuff together so you can come back on camera with the same energy you left before, and then this energy 10 times better. A lot of good things going on. Just overall, just blessed, man, for sure. So last year was a learning experience, but I'm past all that. We moving forward. I get off topic, not like that. But today, we got these University Blue, aka UNC Retro 5s, man. I picked up two pairs. I won two pairs, by the way. On Foot Locker, I won a 10.5 and 11.5. So I got my personal size. I'm not keeping this personal size. I'm just gonna get on feet. You know what I'm saying? It's been a while since I did on feet, of a shoe review, all that good stuff. But like I said, I'm back full effect, man. I got 3 videos coming next week, including the 3s, how to cop those, and of course I'm gonna get the 3s. That's a personal. I need them 3s. So comment down below, man. Let me know. I put these Retro 5s. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I seen these in person. You know what I'm saying? I rate these about a good 9 out of 10. Not gonna lie. I think just what they did in the back, I don't like that when that little sticker in the back, whatever they stitched on. I don't like that in the back. But overall, the shoe definitely 9 out of 10. This definitely a good shoe to have in the summertime. It's good right now to buy this shoe, you know what I'm saying? Because in the summertime and overtime, this shoe would definitely go up in the market. Retro 1s, UNC's coming out. Here go a picture right here. Same color, you know what I'm saying? It's just a darker blue. This is more like a lighter blue. So me personally, I like the Retro 1s better. I'm a big Retro 5s fan. But Retro 5s not a bad shoe at all. It's a comfortable shoe. You know what I'm saying? They run big. So I always tell people with Retro 5s, get your true size. 11.5 is be perfect. I didn't get from 11 too, for real. But 11.5 it just give me just a little extra cushion, but real comfortable. But if I get a 12, oh, it's over. That's gonna be flopping on my feet and all types of stuff. But Retro 5s for sure, running true to size. I'm talking, man. Like I said, I miss y'all for sure. So make sure y'all like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure the push notification bell is on. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. Not further ado, man. Let's go get the shoes out, man. Ooh, it's been a while since I did that, man. But here go the box right here. I like they changing up the boxes a little bit more now. Usually just be plain old red jump, black box, you know what I'm saying, a little black. But they finally going with the color scheme of the shoe, matching up with the box, man. So I'm loving that for sure. So here go the UNC Jumpman right here. Got that personal size, y'all could tell, 11.5. Retail price on these was $225, so our taxes was like $245. Yeah, they going up on these shoes, man, for sure. But it says Air Jordan 5 Retro SE University Blue, black and white. Like I said, retail price on these was $225. So let's go get these bad boys out, man. Like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if you hit on sneakers, Foot Locker, anything like that. Hey, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 5 University Blue, man, aka UNC joints, man. Super clean shoe, super clean. The whole upper of the shoe is a nubuck suede, soft suede too, by the way, man. Nice soft. Got the icy soles on the bottom. Definitely a dope shoe. That's why I said 9 out of 10, because this back part right here, I'm like, bro, come on now. But like I said, overall 9 out of 10. Can't go wrong with that. Go get the shoe out. They come with any sets of laces, but these, I ain't gonna lie. If you put some white laces in these, this will make this shoe even a 10 out of 10. That's what I would say that. If they came with some white laces with these, oh, 10 out of 10 for sure. But I just said 9 out of 10, like I said, because of this back part. But it's all good, So put this box to the side. This UNC blue is, like I said, this UNC blue is definitely nice. I can see close up right here on the suede, rubbing it back and forth. I could tell it's just a nice, smooth nubuck suede here on the whole upper of the shoe. The icy sole. So right here you got your white, little blue speckles, the shark teeth, that they call them, tooth teeth, you want to call them. Of course, you got your Nike Air Bubble on here on the midsole. Got your black midsole. Side panel here, you got your like a clear cage right here as well. It says quality products inspired by the greatest player ever. So not too bad detail. I just don't like that detail. Like I said, I would have gave it 10 out of 10, but just that detail kind of threw me off a little bit. But also, On behind the tongue area here, it says heart and soul. So y'all see that right there? It says heart on inside of the tongue, and it also says soul here. So nice little detail, not too bad, nothing too crazy. But like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all get a shoe. What, 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 7 out of 10. So let you know, boy, down below. On Foot Locker now, you need 6 head starts now, not 4. You need 6. So that's a good talk to talk about, because first 4 is kind of hard for people. Now 6, making it more and more difficult for people to get pairs. Not even that, even a personal, people that don't even resell or even do videos like this. So it's definitely gonna be a good discussion for the shoe community that a lot of people didn't have yet, because a lot of shoes wasn't coming out. And these UNC 5s, these will not sit, by the way. The colorway, UNC colorways don't never sit, by the way. They never do. UNC colorways never sit. Even though it's a retro 5, and a lot of people don't like retro 5s, but UNC colorways don't never sit at all. But these might sit, but like I said, UNC colorways just don't sit. 3s don't, 4s didn't, and these 5s definitely won't. And it's gonna keep going and going. Even the 6s for real ain't even sit neither. So, and the ones coming out too, so a lot of retros of the UNC just collection. So just know UNC colorways don't sit at all. So if you're looking to get this shoe, go ahead, grab it. If you can't get it for retail, it'll be better talking. Let's get our own feet going, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Like I said, man, we back in business, baby. 3 videos coming next week, so stay tuned for sure. But be right back from his own feet. Let's get it.
Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
Hey, you will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm tryna be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam.
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. It's been a while, man. So one shoe I did without the pacifier right here. I forgot to mention in the retro 5s. Retro 5s always has the pacifier right there. Of course, you know what I'm saying, boom, without the pacifier. You could do either or, but me personally, I like it without the pacifier. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to add it on there, it look kind of more, I don't know, throwing me off a little bit more, but I like it. You know what I'm saying, without the pacifier. And also on the tongue, it's a reflective tongue right here. If y'all could tell on the light, it's a 3M reflective tongue. So like I said, overall 9 out of 10. Definitely this shoe is definitely fire. Not keeping it as a personal. It was surfacing around all last year around in May. There was basically UNC 5s coming out. The hype was big. The hype was big, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sit here and lie. The hype was big. I was like, ooh, them nice. But like I said, I'm not a big retro 5s type of person. But if you into 5s, it's definitely up there for sure. Y'all remember the Raging Bull joints? I'm not comparing these to Raging Bulls. I'm just saying, like the color was, certain people like solid colorways. They don't like too loud, too much. This is a nice little shoe, you know what I'm saying? Even though Duke beat North Carolina, by the way. Nice little sleep. I'm a Duke fan. You know what I'm saying? It's a good day. It's a good day. So, but also, like I said, size on retro 5s, they run true to size. Like I said, 11.5 fits me perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? Not too much room, not too big. Fits me just right. 11 will fit me just like that too, but I think 11.5 is just a little more cushion. Just a little bit, which is real comfortable for me. But size on retro 5s, like I said, beginning of the video, run true to size. This 11.5 fits me perfectly fine. I know a size 12, it'll be super big on me, but this 11.5 fits me just right. And of course, retro 5s, then in my opinion, retro 5s, 10s, I'll say 3s are like the most comfortable retros in my opinion. 10s, 5s, and 3s, they are super comfortable, but they are heavy. These things feel like bricks, but they are comfortable though. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all, they are comfortable. So, like I said, comment down below, man, let me know if y'all picked up a pair. You know what I'm saying? Got 3 videos coming. We'll be talking about, you know what I'm saying, Foot Locker with the head starts, the retro 3s, how to cop videos, you know what I'm saying? Your boy, just know your boy is back, man. Like I said, I missed y'all. Make sure to like, subscribe if you're new, man. I appreciate y'all as always. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. My Instagram, my TikTok, all that good stuff, man. Just know I'm back, man. Just know I'm back. And this is my year, though. Oh, it's coming. It's coming, man. But like I said, I appreciate y'all, of course, showing love as always, man. Catch you on another video, man. Jordan is out. Peace.